friend, today I'm going to explain supply chain management of McDonald Company. Myself, Sakshi Gaur. Contains introduction of supply chain management. A supply chain network is an evaluation of the basic supply chain due to rapid technological advancement. Organization with the basic supply chain can develop this chain into a more complex structure involving a higher level of interdependence and connectivity between more organizations. This constitutes a supply chain network. Businesses are often part of a larger network of organizations. A supply chain network can be used to highlight interaction between organizations. They can also be used to show the flow of information and material across organizations. Supply chain networks are one now more global than ever and are typically structured with the five key areas: external suppliers, production centers, distribution center, demand zone, and transportation assets. All organizations can purchase the components to build a supply chain network. It is the collection of physical location, transportation, vehicles, and supporting system through which the product and services fill markets and manage and ultimately delivered. Aim of microproject: importance of supply chain management, needs of supply chain management. Literature review. Over the past decade, the traditional purchasing logical functions have evolved into a broader strategy approach to material and distribution management, known as SM. And this paper aims to review a supply chain management evaluation and the factors that have influenced it. By identifying these factors, we will get more sides of supply chain management. Various definitions of supply chain management have been offered over the past 20 to 30 years, but none of this definition is universal. The lack of universal definition of supply chain management in the part due to the way definition in universal. The lack of universal definition is the part of due to way the concept of supply chain management has been developed. The concept supply chain has been considered from different point of view, different body of literature. Such a multidisciplinary organ make it difficult to come up with a universal definition of supply chain management. Despite of the barriers to make a universal definition of supply chain management. Benefits of supply chain management: higher efficiency rate, reduced cost effect, rise output, rise your business's profit level, boost cooperation, lower delay in processes, enhance supply chain network. Diagram of supply chain management. The 8 important components of supply chain management are planning, information source, inventory, production, location, transportation, and return of goods. Why supply chain is why supply chain is important? Supply chain management is important because it increases competitiveness and customer satisfaction. In this day and age, supply chain management says play a integral part of firm's success. Efficiently running supply chain allow firm to quickly deliver product to end user for a low cost. Supply chain management of McDonald Company. Multi-layer supply chain. The McDonald's supply chain is both critical and multi-layered. There are two categories in food ingredient supply. Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers are reflected. In a Tier 1, there are 40 crore suppliers provide a processed product, vegetables and chicken patties come from Vista Process Food Private Limited Excel, French fries, potato, veg, and hash browns by McDonald chain, Foods India Private Limited, and so on. In Tier 2 suppliers, there are growers and processors who provide lettuce and potato, poultry items, and coating systems that are used for coating the chicken and vegetable patties. The flow of ingredients are from a Tier 2 to Tier 1 supplier who process them. Now the fleet of a refrigerated trucks transport this processed food to the company. These are multi-temperature and single-temperature trucks into a practice where 250 McDonald's Indian restaurants are provided on the time fast delivery. This is not indirectional; it is also include the significant aspects of return logistics. Hence, the empty bottles and racks are available for further processing. Plastic crates are used to burns to ensure their quality with a distribution center across the country. All 25 to 250 restaurants are served efficiently, and every new outlet addition is capable handled to this DSS within 10 days in a country. The Noida and Mumbai DSS Kolkata houses lease corporation. This system be used managed like between restaurant and DSS in a hub and spoke model where the DSS act as a hub outsource businesses. The essentials of the effective supply chain model is undoubtable attributed to its unique concept of outsourcing. The company has as 100% outsourced supply chain, which are rare case industry grade. But McDonald's has a complete control over its functioning. The performance of outsources companies are mentioned are key performance indicator. The figure highlights a suppleness of its supply chain under three principles to which can company the principle of a trust and collaboration between the brand, the owners or operators, and the suppliers. McDonald's has a total 40 suppliers, in which 40 are the core suppliers. Known as a tier 1 supplier, this supply directly fast food chain. Faith is the key. McDonald's has a two legally signed agreements and with the suppliers. It is a simple handshake relationship with the suppliers. The policy with the suppliers is a very clear one product, one supplier relationship. The policy has been proved a long-term relationship at every time. The fast food chain sells a 30 or 35 independent stock keeping units at its outlet with the various combination. There are a hundred there are 100 to 150 SKUs which are sold to customers. Limited SKUs has a ensures a speedy services and case of maintained stock keeping. The major demands is fulfilled by 40 crores suppliers and whereas addition is there a restaurant line. Those 40 suppliers are the first choice. Sole distribution partner. The entire distribution of a McDonald's product is in India is handled by Radhakrishna Food Line Private Limited. The only distribution partner RKFL manages the 4DS, DCS, and since it has a transport division, handle the truck movement in the supply chain. Right through the country, McDonald's exhibits control on distribution partner to meet a standard of a cold, clean, and on-time delivery. Supply chain management of a McDonald's company. Technology is at its best. The entire system of a supply chain is powered by technology to make it smooth and affordable. Suppliers are using SF while the distribution centers are in Ramco Marshall ERP with the Cobra software. This system are used automate upload of a store orders for assisting a day-to-day functional to store technology have been developed. Track sales enable restaurants to schedule staff and send forecast orders to DSS, etc. With the company is tapping the high growth opportunity to customer satisfaction certainty effectively and that this afford McDonald's added delivery and innovative option which delivery meal to the customer does. This service grown to a staggering level by more than 500% delivery first launched at Mumbai. Conclusion. McDonald's company supply chain is quite uniquely handled with the least number of employees of McDonald's payroll. The control of outsources entire is commendable. With ever growing a business of fast food, McDonald's has laid down in system efficiently and expanding at the income speed. The model can be even in the other city. Thank you.